So remember, people, what are you going to do? We're going to vote no tar, Dave. No tar. Spoil that ballot. Don't let none of them in. Maybe even put a smiley face on there. No tar. Thank you very much. Monkey eyes. Let's do a little bit of the old smiling. Maybe a little nose. No tar. No tar to any of them. Remember, people, not one of these parties have given a stuff about vulnerable adults being cash cows for the professional elite. Not one of them have given a damn about water charges, about shared houses. Not one of them. Never talk about it. Never help out. Don't like responding to emails. Get rid of them, people. Say no tar to the lot of them. It's up to you. You people who don't vote, won't vote. For a change, just go out and spoil your ballot and say, well, I've had my say. They're all a bunch of lying toe rags. Well, they were all going to give us a referendum on that treaty, weren't they? But oh no, not anymore, we're not. Oh, lovely. No, don't let them have a choice. Damn. The only way we're ever going to get direct democracy, people, where we're not covered by the lies of all these parties anymore, is by voting no tar. None of the above. Go for it. You can do it. Counting on you. Email your friends the video. Encourage them to vote no tar. Send a message to government. We are sick and tired of the games you people play with our lives, with other people's lives in other countries, like Iraq, for instance. Now they're talking about Iran. Why don't they help Iran have solar energy? It's a hot country, isn't it? Ship a shitload of solar panels over there. You don't need nuclear energy. You can have solar, for crying out loud. What's going on? Plus we want fruit and nut trees in the urban environment. Okay? Marvellous. No tar.